Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial how to use glowing lines effect on CapCut. This is the result. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut. Please make sure that you have already installed the latest CapCut apps, okay? And then export the photo or the video. In here, I add one photo in one video. So just click on effect in the bottom in here and then click body effect. Now you can see many options and then you can just select whichever one you like. I use headwear and electro headphone, and then you can always use the effect just by clicking on the effect again and then put the other effect under the previous overlay like this. And then for the video, I'm going to select the under mood effect in here and then click aura like this. And then set the effect until the end of the video. So that's how you can create this type edit. Find the music that you want to use and then edit the picture or video to match the beats and add the effect that you want to use. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's the step how to use glowing lines effect on CapCut. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy editing guys, bye bye.